Sailing has always been a thrilling adventure, but the rise of luxurious sailing yachts has elevated the experience to extraordinary heights. These elegant vessels are designed to offer water enthusiasts a perfect blend of comfort, style, and adventure, providing a taste of life far removed from the bustle of the mainland. With meticulously crafted designs, ergonomic interiors, and lavish accommodation cabins, these yachts are equipped with all the amenities needed to create a warm and inviting atmosphere for their guests. Built to handle challenging weather and cover impressive distances, they are ideal for everything from serene relaxation to hosting unforgettable parties on the water or embarking on a family getaway to escape the cares of daily life. And these are the top 10 sailing yachts available for charter, promising a voyage like no other. Swan 115. The Swan 115 is a Finnish superyacht sailboat designed by renowned naval architect German Frers as a racer cruiser, with the first hull launched in 2015. It is powered by a 450 horsepower Swedish Scania ABDI 13070M diesel engine, providing reliable performance for docking and maneuvering. This luxurious vessel offers accommodations for up to 14 people across 7 meticulously designed cabins. The bow cabin features a spacious double-island berth, while the main cabin boasts an L-shaped settee and 2 straight settees, all complemented by a rich mahogany interior that exudes warmth and elegance. The Swan 115 offers 3 large guest cabins and a master suite for the owner, along with dedicated crew quarters accommodating 1 captain and 4 professionals. With its semi-raised saloon, the yacht seamlessly blends comfort and sophistication, elevating the experience of sailing. Performance-wise, the Swan 115 excels with a top downwind speed of 13.91 knots, thanks to its extended waterline and optimized design for lighter wind conditions. This blend of luxury and exhilarating sailing performance makes the Swan 115 one of the finest superyachts in its class. Sybaris. Sybaris is a luxurious superyacht crafted by the esteemed Italian shipbuilder Perini Navi and launched in 2015. This 230-foot masterpiece is powered by twin MTU diesel engines, each delivering an impressive 1,930 horsepower, enabling a maximum speed of 17 knots and a cruising speed of 12 knots. Designed to blend exceptional performance with spacious living, Sybaris features a grand guest area on the main deck and accommodates up to 12 guests in 6 opulent cabins, including a master suite and 5 double cabins. A dedicated crew of 11 ensures impeccable service and a seamless experience for all on board. The yacht's exterior spaces are designed for relaxation, highlighted by a deck table offering stunning panoramic views of breathtaking sceneries during charters. The interior exudes elegance, with carefully selected furnishings such as bronze-end tables, leather couches, and plush woolen chairs, creating a sophisticated yet inviting atmosphere. Aquarius. The Aquarius is an elegant sailing yacht crafted by the renowned Italian shipbuilder Perini Navi and delivered in 1990. Currently sailing under the Maltese flag, this vessel exemplifies a seamless blend of luxury and performance. Measuring 154 feet in length, the Aquarius is powered by twin MTU diesel engines, enabling a top speed of 14 knots and an impressive maximum range of 5,600 nautical miles. Constructed with a robust steel hull, an aluminum superstructure, and classic teak decks, the yacht boasts a gross tonnage of 302 tons. Designed to provide a luxurious onboard experience, the Aquarius accommodates up to 10 guests in 5 state-of-the-art staterooms, attended to by a dedicated crew of 8. The yacht's water tanks hold approximately 2,700 gallons of fresh water, ensuring comfort and convenience during extended voyages. Though the Aquarius is not currently for sale or charter, its timeless design and exceptional craftsmanship continue to define its legacy as a masterpiece. Oyster 125. The Oyster 125 is a unique and exceptional superyacht, crafted by Oyster Marine in collaboration with the renowned Dubois design team and launched in 2012. Now available for charter, she cruises the stunning waters of both the Mediterranean and the Caribbean, offering an unforgettable blend of performance and luxury. Powered by a 599-horsepower Caterpillar engine, the Oyster 125 achieves a cruising speed of 10 knots and a top speed of 13 knots. Her long waterline, ballast keel, heavy lead bulb, and fabricated fin make her a true showstopper, as dramatic and captivating as the breathtaking coastal landscapes she explores each year. This superyacht delivers an outstanding sailing experience while providing the ultimate in luxury yachting. Designed for relaxation and indulgence, the Oyster 125 accommodates up to 8 guests in 4 beautifully appointed cabins, 3 doubles, and 1 twin. A crew of 6 ensures impeccable service throughout the journey. The yacht's upper deck saloon, with its 360-degree panoramic views, offers the perfect vantage point to take in the surrounding beauty. State-of-the-art amenities include large LCD TVs, iPod docks, DVD players, and a 3D TV with a theater-quality surround sound system in the saloon, ensuring entertainment at its finest. Combining cutting-edge technology, supreme comfort, and exceptional sailing performance, the Oyster 125 promises a luxurious and unforgettable cruising experience. Black Pearl. Originally known as Oceanco Y712, the Black Pearl is a groundbreaking superyacht launched in 2016. As the second largest sailing yacht in the world, it exemplifies cutting-edge engineering and luxurious design. Built with a steel hull, an aluminum superstructure, and 3 towering carbon fiber masts, Black Pearl was conceived with an ambitious vision: to cross the Atlantic using just 20 gallons of fuel. Under favorable weather conditions, it can achieve a remarkable top speed of 30 knots. This magnificent yacht accommodates up to 12 guests in opulent style, featuring a master suite, 2 VIP cabins, and 2 double guest cabins. Black Pearl offers an array of luxurious amenities, including an on-deck jacuzzi, a convertible cinema, a full-beam beach club, and a tender garage. In addition to harnessing wind power, the yacht is equipped with 2 400-horsepower MTU electric propulsion motors, ensuring exceptional performance and efficiency. For relaxation and entertainment, guests can enjoy a sauna, a well-equipped gym, a deck jacuzzi, and even a dedicated dance floor for celebrations. Athena. Athena is an exquisite triple-masted schooner built by the esteemed Royal Huisman Shipyard in 2005 for American software magnate Jim Clark. Measuring an impressive 252 feet in length and 40 feet in width, this iconic yacht combines timeless elegance with cutting-edge performance. The yacht accommodates up to 12 guests in luxurious comfort, featuring 3 queen suites and a twin cabin, all attended to by a dedicated crew of 22. Its bridge deck serves as both a social gathering space and an observatory point, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding seascapes. Powered by twin screw propellers and 2 516B engines, each generating 2,000 horsepower, Athena achieves a top speed of 19 knots and a cruising speed of 14 knots. With a range of 4,000 nautical miles and a gross tonnage of 1,103 GT, this schooner is designed for long-range journeys without compromising on comfort or performance. Guests aboard Athena enjoy modern conveniences such as Wi-Fi for staying connected and air conditioning to ensure a comfortable environment in any climate. This combination of luxury, performance, and classic design makes Athena a true masterpiece in the world of sailing yachts. Sea Eagle 2. Sea Eagle 2 is a stunning sailing yacht and the largest ever built by the prestigious Dutch shipyard and launched in 2020 by Royal Huisman. Measuring an impressive 265 feet in length, with a beam of 40 feet and a draft of 20 feet, this vessel seamlessly blends grandeur with performance. Powered by twin Caterpillar engines, each producing 1,470 horsepower, Sea Eagle 2 achieves a maximum speed of 21 knots and cruises comfortably at 14 knots, with a range of approximately 3,000 nautical miles. This remarkable yacht has proven its adventurer spirit, undertaking voyages from the Caribbean to the Galapagos Islands and further to the South Pacific. The luxurious interior accommodates up to 12 guests in 6 elegantly appointed cabins, attended by a professional crew of 14. The saloon features dual staircases leading to the flybridge, offering guests breathtaking 360-degree views and a serene space to enjoy the surrounding waterscapes. Sea Eagle 2 is also well equipped for water sports and exploration, featuring off-board amenities such as 2 Sea-Doo jet skis, a Jobe wakeboard, and more. This perfect combination of adventure, comfort, and luxury makes Sea Eagle 2 a standout choice for those seeking unforgettable sailing experiences. Maltese Falcon. The Maltese Falcon is a legendary superyacht built by the esteemed Perini Navi shipyard in 2006. Renowned for its cutting-edge design and innovative features, this 289-foot yacht boasts a beam of 41 feet and remains one of the most iconic vessels on the water. Accommodating up to 12 guests in 6 luxurious staterooms, the Maltese Falcon offers a range of lavish amenities. The lower deck features a master suite equipped with a private gym, ensuite bathrooms, and a jacuzzi bath. Guests can also enjoy a VIP suite and 4 additional double cabins, all designed with colorful, elegant finishes. The interior includes a spacious main salon and a formal dining room, creating a refined and inviting atmosphere. Powered by twin Deutz MWM diesel engines, the yacht achieves a top speed of 18 knots and cruises at a comfortable 12 knots, with an impressive range of 4,000 nautical miles. A crew of 19 ensures impeccable service throughout the journey. One of the yacht's standout features is its outdoor cinema on the flybridge, offering a unique entertainment experience under the stars. Additionally, the Maltese Falcon provides a serene seating area with 2 large sofas, perfect for relaxation while enjoying the sea breeze. Red Dragon. Red Dragon is a stunning sailing yacht built by the renowned Alloy Yachts shipyard in 2008. This 168-foot vessel elegantly merges timeless design with modern luxury, offering guests an unparalleled charter experience. With a beam of 32 feet, Red Dragon features expansive spaces for relaxation and entertainment. Guests can enjoy sunbathing areas, alfresco dining, and a spacious beach club on deck, creating an idyllic setting for both social gatherings and tranquil moments at sea. The main deck includes a comfortable lounge area with sofas, a bar for evening cocktails, and a fully equipped gym for those looking to stay active during their voyage. Accommodating up to 10 guests in 5 luxurious suites, Red Dragon includes a master suite, a twin cabin, and 3 double cabins, all attended to by a professional crew of 9. The yacht's Wi-Fi connectivity ensures guests stay connected, even while exploring the most remote destinations. Powered by a 400 horsepower Caterpillar diesel engine, Red Dragon achieves a top speed of 15 knots and cruises comfortably at 12 knots, with an impressive range of 4,900 nautical miles. This combination of performance and luxury makes it ideal for long-distance cruising in style. Offering a blend of classic aesthetics, modern amenities, and exceptional performance, Red Dragon promises a relaxed and luxurious yachting experience for discerning travelers. Bliss. Bliss is an elegant motor yacht built by Yachting Developments in New Zealand and launched in 2009. With its sleek aluminum hull and superstructure, Bliss spans 120 feet and boasts a gross tonnage of 153 tons, offering both performance and luxury for an exceptional charter experience. Designed to accommodate up to 8 guests, the yacht features 4 beautifully appointed cabins. The versatile master suite can be configured into a smaller master cabin with an adjoining twin bunk cabin for added flexibility. A dedicated crew of 5 ensures top-tier service throughout the journey. Powered by a Caterpillar engine, Bliss cruises comfortably at 10 knots and can reach a top speed of 13 knots. With an impressive range of 3,750 nautical miles, it is perfect for extended voyages. Bliss is equipped with an array of amenities, including a well-equipped gym and a deck jacuzzi, providing relaxation and entertainment amid stunning scenery. For adventure seekers, the yacht offers kayaks, fishing gear, and scuba diving equipment to enhance the onboard experience.